Hi guys, it's Michelle. I am back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I decorated above my toilet in my master bathroom. This is a kind of small bathroom to be a master. So I installed these two shelves that I DIY'd. I got the wood from Lowe's and I just painted it white. I got them to cut it in the dimensions that I wanted. And I got these brackets right here from Lowe's as well. But they didn't start off this way. They were black. Spray painted them with Rust-Oleum Champagne Gold. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off right above the toilet with this beautiful white tray that I got from HOMEGOODS, and this is the matching container that goes with it. I have some makeup swabs in there, so I'm just going to be keeping that in there for the time being. And I do love this beautiful set. And I have a reed diffuser here. I put some sticks in this beautiful bottle that I had. It has a top on it, but I just took the top off and put the reed sticks in there and some oil. And this is the matching toothbrush holder, but I don't have my toothbrushes out. So I decided to put this little floral arrangement in it. So I love the way this looks. I don't want to overcomplicate it. It's right above the toilet. Just enough. So I'm going to go up to the next shelf. I'm going to start with these two beautiful containers with the crystal knobs. These are from HOMEGOODS, and this is where I'm going to be holding my cotton balls and Q-tips because I'm always reaching for either one of those, so I want to have those handy. And this is the matching tissue box to the set that I have on top of the toilet. I did fold over a set of towels, which I'm going to put right in the center. And these towels are mainly going to be decorative, so I'm going to put this flower on top, but you know, they could be for normal use as well. It's just what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go in with my favorite candle holders right at the top because I do have high ceilings, so I did need to go in with some really tall items on the top shelf. And I do have this matching set here that I got from HOMEGOODS like last year. And I believe one was $19.99 and the other one was $24.99. And here's another one of my apothecary jars where I'm keeping my extra Epsom salt. And I do need to get a refill, get a couple more bags to fill this all the way up. And then right in the center, I'm placing my storage box here, my MING box. And I will end up putting like a couple of extra rolls of toilet paper in there after a while. And on top of that, let me reposition this a little bit because I want the box to go all the way back. There we go. And I am going to be putting this vase here, and I just put some paper on the inside just to give it that white look rather than having it be see-through. And I'm just going to put a head of hydrangeas and sit it right on top. And I love the way this looks. And the whole theme of my bathroom is silver and white. And I'm going to be showing you the other part of the entire bathroom in another video. I didn't want to make this video too long. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did have a little bit of a scare with COVID-19 and I had to have a test done. Thank goodness I was negative, but the test took like 7 days to come back. Have any of you had to get tested for COVID-19? How long did it take for your test to come back? It took 7 days and I had to quarantine. I couldn't be around anybody until I found the results of that test. But I thought that was entirely too long. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. I do have another video coming up showing you the rest of this bathroom. And as always, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments and I will get back with you. So guys, be safe out there, take care, and I will see you in the next one.